Just a good old Outcasts dance party.
Alright, let's go. No. You don't want to come hang out for a little bit? What? You don't want
Pyro trying to convince Lark not to go home.
You stole.
Is
that in the...
I have no music playing.
Me neither.
This is content.
You may be thinking, why are they dancing? I couldn't tell you.
Forgot to zip up my jacket.
Oh, what is this song?
What song is it?
I don't have heck music playing. It's just playing. Oh, rock that body.
The heck?
You know what's so funny? Actually, I made a TikTok.
Pyro showing off his super stylish Cabbage Patch groove.
Overtime. I almost flipped. It's not working for the.
Why am I out of breath?
Break down. Oh, I didn't do that. Hey, I'm gonna try this. I've never tried before. Either I fall on my hand or I don't.
Oh shit.
I tried to put one hand stomp.
I like it. I like it.
I gotta go back. I'm ready now. Oh wow, pretty light.
Oh, my hands hurt now. I'm tired.
Let's go.
Still not sure what just happened, but I guess that is just the Outcasts way.